Once, in a small coastal village, there lived a wealthy merchant named Saad. His house was adorned with the finest silks, jewels, and treasures he had collected from his travels across the world. Saad was admired and envied by many for his success. Yet, despite his wealth, Saad often felt restless. He would gaze out at the sea, wondering if he had truly found the peace and happiness he sought. One day, while strolling along the shore, Saad saw a fisherman named Yusuf sitting under a palm tree. Yusuf was smiling as he mended his simple net, surrounded by his family. The merchant noticed the small basket of fish Yusuf had caught earlier, which was just enough to feed his family for the day. Saad, curious about Yusuf's contentment, approached him and said, "Yusuf, I don't understand you. You catch only a few fish each day, yet you seem so happy. Don't you wish to be like me? With more effort, you could catch more fish, sell them, and grow your business. Eventually, you could become wealthy, just like I am." Yusuf looked up at Saad, his smile unbroken. "And what would I do with that wealth, brother?" Saad, surprised by the question, replied, "You could build a large house, own boats, travel the world, and live a life of comfort." Yusuf nodded thoughtfully and asked, "And after I've achieved all that, what would I do?" "You could finally rest and enjoy your life," Saad exclaimed, feeling triumphant in his logic. Yusuf chuckled gently and said, "But that is exactly what I am doing now. I catch enough to provide for my family, I pray, and give thanks to Allah for His blessings, and I spend my days with my loved ones. Why should I chase a life that I already have, in essence?" Saad was taken aback. He had spent years amassing wealth in search of happiness. Yet here was Yusuf, living simply but with contentment in his heart. That night, as he returned to his grand home, he reflected on Yusuf's words. He opened the Quran, seeking guidance, and came across the verse, "And do not extend your eyes toward that, by which we have given enjoyment to certain categories of them, its being but the splendor of worldly life by which we test them. And the provision of your Lord is better and more enduring." Surah Taha 21:31. Saad realized that he had spent much of his life comparing his journey to others, trying to prove his worth through wealth. He now understood that true happiness lies in being grateful for what Allah has provided, and in fulfilling one's purpose without envy or discontent. The next day, Saad visited Yusuf again and said, "You've taught me a great lesson, brother. I've been chasing what I thought I lacked, instead of appreciating what I have. May Allah reward you for reminding me of what truly matters." From that day forward, Saad stopped comparing himself to others. Instead, he focused on using his wealth for good, helping the less fortunate, and seeking Allah's pleasure in all that he did. Yusuf, too, continued his simple life, grateful for Allah's blessings and steadfast in his faith. Do not compare your life to others, for Allah provides each of us with what we need to fulfill our unique purpose. True contentment comes not from wealth or status, but from gratitude and trust in Allah's wisdom. Focus on your blessings, and you will find peace in your heart. Gratitude is the key to peace. Trust Allah's plan, and you'll find happiness. Thank you for watching. Remember, comparing yourself to others only steals your peace. Focus on gratitude and trust in Allah's wisdom. If you enjoyed this story, please let us know in the comments. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more inspiring Islamic stories and reminders. Also, be sure to turn on notifications so you never miss an update. May Allah bless you, and inshallah, we'll see you in the next video. Let's spread these valuable